Yo, this is Luffy. I'm just kidding. It's a Noli360. And thanks, Jules, for this bike check. So, backstory of this bike. Sa Kona, Jake the Snake 2008. Yung wife ko yung pumili nito kasi she was sick and tired of me sharing all the, watching all the videos during the lockdown. So I started biking in 1979. A lot of you weren't alive back then. I became a bike mechanic at 6 years old, trying to fix the bike so I can, steal away from home. And I became a BMX rider for Skyway Davao in 1989, 1990. Shout out to Dars. We had an orange-yellow uniform. We would do exhibition sa barangay sa Pampanga Village, and they would pay us in beer mugs. Okay, so before we would practice in PTA. That's in Davao City. It's in People's Park now. Okay, so my friend TJ here wasn't even born then, and my friend just went over. Almost hit that. Okay. Thank you to TD. Anyway, bike journey I stopped in 1990. It's okay. You can include people. It's okay. It's fine. It's not about me. So this is about Pasig. Okay. So bike journey, tumigil ako noong 1990 when I studied here. Well, I was sent here because I was biking. Binata, hindi na ako umuwi sa bahay, naniligaw ako, and my mom thought I was doing drugs in Davao City, and this was like 1990. I would go home at 9 p.m. because I was making ligaw-ligaw to my classmate not classmate, but yeah, you know who you are. USP, Yusef Obrero. By the way, come on, TJ, come, TJ. He's my schoolmate actually, my bro. He's my schoolmate, University of Southeastern Philippines, shout out. So that's where I stopped biking, and then I was shipped here in Manila. And then I stopped riding altogether because my sister told me, "Huwag ka na mag-bike dito. Hindi to parang probinsya na Davao. This is dangerous." So, cut to 2020, pandemic happened. 30 years later, I started biking again, and I fell in love. So this is my back-to-bike bike. Nagka-mountain bike muna ako, tapos enduro frame, but this is my first CX gravel frame. So, second hand, third hand, owned by Mr. Mondiang of Bike Expo. It's happening soon, okay? So, I think binigay sa kanya ng pinsan niya to. Jake the Snake is the owner of Kona, Mr. Jacob. He's a Dutch guy. I know it's a Canadian brand, but they don't carry it in the US right now. I think this is a rare. Shout out to 12 Bikes, the Kona distributor. I bought a second bike, but it got lost, it got stolen. It's another story. We'll do another bike check with my Noli360 Plus. So, the implements here, Richie, because my first bike, my other bike had a Richie seat, tas ninakaw sa MOA. Another story about that. So, low maintenance lang tayo, between, bagay naman yung aesthetic. Of course, that's a Kona Cross, 70-75 aluminum. It's about 9 kgs. And my good friend PJ Sol, shout out to you, gave me the retrospect rims. It's free, okay? It's free. So I just made him some custom software deployments, so he gave me free rims. Yeah, so the tires are from my Noli360 Plus Terravale Rampart. I think they're perfect balloon. Sakto siya, saktong ipit tae. No? Sakto lang siya. So this is the best look. I love the retro modern implements. I got the group set, second hand, galing sa Salsa, sa Mech, SRAM, Apex 11, 42, 42. Yes, 42, 42. That's the Sunrays, pinalitan ko na kasi nag-swap kami before. It's still alive. I mean, it's still happening. It's still solid. And because I'm a BMXer, it has to be black label, right? Yeah, so that's it. Obviously, I love blue and some red, and that's me. It's your monkey boy Luffy.